In this video, we'll explore the relationship between polynomial equations and trigonometric functions. We'll take up an example. Say for example, we'll need to find the sum of the series which is sine square 2 pi by 7 plus sine square 4 pi by 7 plus sine square 8 pi by 7. Now one of the method of solving this question is to change it in terms of cos to theta, and then we can use the formula for sum of a series when the angles are in arithmetic progression. But here we are going to solve this question using polynomial equation. So what we'll do is, we know that each of these angles, they are the form 2n pi by 7. So we'll take theta as 2n pi by 7, where the value of n is 1, 2 and 4. Now we can write 7 theta as 2n pi and 4 theta will be 2n pi minus 3 theta. Now we'll take sine both sides. We can write sine 4 theta and sine 2 pi minus theta is minus sine theta. So it will be minus sine 3 theta. Now we'll write the formula for sine 4 theta. So it will be 2 cos 2 theta and sine 2 theta. We can write sine 2 theta as 2 sine theta into cos theta, and sine 3 theta is 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. Now we can take sine theta common from both sides, which we can cancel, and we'll get sine theta equals 0, but theta is 2n pi by 7, so sine theta cannot take the value 0. So we are left with the equation 4 cos theta, and we can write cos 2 theta as 1 minus 2 sine square theta, and here it will be 4 sine square theta minus 3. Now we'll square this equation. We can write 16, and we can write cos square theta as 1 minus sine square theta, and here it will be 1 minus 2 sine square theta whole square, and we'll get 4 sine square theta minus 3 whole square. Now we'll simplify it. We'll get this equation as 64 sine to the power 6 theta minus 112 sine to the power 4 theta minus 56 sine square theta minus 7 equals 0. Now this equation, it is a cubic equation in sine square theta. So we can actually write this equation as 64 sine square theta cube minus 112 sine square theta square minus 56 sine square theta minus 7 equals 0. Now it is a cubic equation whose three roots are sine square 2 pi by 7, sine square 4 pi by 7 and sine square 8 pi by 7. Now we'll find sum of roots, which is S1. So we'll get sine square 2 pi by 7 plus sine square 4 pi by 7 plus sine square 8 pi by 7, and it is equal to minus b upon a. So it will be minus minus plus 112 divided by 64, which is 7 by 4. So the sum of the series sine square 2 pi by 7 plus sine square 4 pi by 7 plus sine square 8 pi by 7 is 7 by 4. So this is another method to work out sum of trigonometric series. Let us take up an example. Now here the question is, we need to find the value of 10 square pi by 7 plus 10 square 2 pi by 7 plus 10 square 3 pi by 7 into cot square pi by 7 plus cot square 2 pi by 7 plus cot square 3 pi by 7. Now here when we look at the angles are of the form n pi by 7. So we can write theta as n pi by 7, where the value of n is 1, 2 and 3. Now again we can write 7 theta as n pi, then 4 theta will be n pi minus 3 theta. Now we'll take 10 both sides. We can write 10 4 theta, and it is equal to 10 n pi minus 3 theta. So it will be 10 4 theta, and 10 n pi minus 3 theta will be minus 10 3 theta. Now what is the formula for 10 4 theta? 10 4 theta is 4 10 theta minus 4 10 cube theta 1 minus 6 10 square theta plus 10 to the power 4 theta, and 10 3 theta is 3 10 theta minus 10 cube theta upon 1 minus 3 10 square theta. Now we can take 10 theta common from both sides. We'll get 10 theta is 0, but then 10 theta cannot take the value 0. So we can write this as 4 1 minus 10 square theta into 1 minus 3 10 square theta, and it'll be equal to 1 minus 6 10 square theta plus 10 to the power 4 theta into 10 square theta minus 3. Now we'll multiply these two expressions and simplify. We'll get this equation as 10 to the power 6 theta minus 21 10 to the power 4 theta plus 35 10 square theta minus 7 equals 0. Now this again is a cubic equation in 10 square theta. So we can write this as 10 square theta cube minus 21 10 square theta square plus 35 10 square theta minus 7 equals to 0, whose roots are 10 square pi by 7, 10 square 2 pi by 7, and 10 square 3 pi by 7. Now we'll write sum of roots. Sum of roots S1 will be 10 square pi by 7 plus 10 square 2 pi by 7 plus 10 square 3 pi by 7, and it'll be equal to minus b upon a. So this result will be equal to 21. Now what we can also do in this question is we can change this equation in terms of cot theta. If we'll divide it with 10 to the power 6 theta, then this equation will reverse. So we can write this as 7 cot square theta cube minus 35 cot square theta square plus 21 cot square theta and minus 1 equals to 0. Now for this equation, the roots are cot square pi by 7, cot square 2 pi by 7, and cot square 3 pi by 7. Now again, if we write S1, S1 will be cot square pi by 7 plus cot square 2 pi by 7 plus cot square 3 pi by 7, and this value again will be minus b upon a, which is 35 upon 7, and there'll be 5. So from the same equation, we have got two results. Now the first question is, we need to find the value of this product. Now we know that answer to this 10 series is 21 and cot series is 5. So this result will be 21 into 5, which is 105, and that's our option number A. Now what about the second result? Now this is 21 and it is 5, so it will be none of these. And finally we need to find the value of this product. Now this is nothing but S3. Now we'll find S3. S3 will be minus and then minus 7. So this value will be simply 7. So value of S3 is 7. So answer to this series is simply 7. Now this question, it is generally asked in another form, which is 10 pi by 7 into 10 2 pi by 7 into 10 3 pi by 7, and this value will be equal to under root 7. So this is how we solve such questions.